How to add music to a photo in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to a photo in CapCut. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the new project. Now here, simply tap on the photo tab and select the photo that you want to add music to. And once you have selected that, simply tap on add button. Now to remove the default ending, you can tap on it and delete it, but I will delete it later. Now here, simply tap on add audio at the bottom and you will see several options: sounds, effects, extracted, record, and much more. And now to add music, simply tap on sound. And from here, simply choose the music. You can even search for music if you want to add a specific song. For this video, I'm going to simply select this music, and once you have selected the music, simply tap on the plus button to add it. And by default, the image only lasts for 2 to 5 seconds, but you can extend it by dragging the edge to match the length of a song. And that's it. Now you know how to add music to picture in CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.